Hey, what's up, guys? I just wanted to let you know I hit over the 200 mark for YouTube videos. I now have precisely 210. And I'm going to continue building over that amount over and over and over again. Because right now I'm only at 210. I'm planning to go over 1,000,000 videos. And once I do, my ultimate dream goal of YouTube videos is to hit 99 million. Or I'll just go with 99,000. Yeah, I think that'll be better. Yeah, 99,000 videos for YouTube. So, I just wanted to also let you know I'll be making a video with my dog in it, Cindy. Yeah, you'll get to see her not tomorrow, but like the day after tomorrow, which is Friday. You'll get to see her then. And I'll be making a video with me holding her, giving her lots of hugs. I'm going to try to get her to say something to the camera. I don't think she will, though. But anyway, I'm also going to try to get my crush to be in my videos so that you guys can see who she looks like. Alright? But that's only if she doesn't mind doing it with me. Like, being in my videos with me and everything.